Hi, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making an evil eye ring.
So you remember the other day when you made that basic ring and then you wrapped those beads around it and it looked like an evil eye?
This one?
Yes, that one.
Yes.
I want you to show me how you did it.
Okay, well, hopefully I can remember. It's been a while.
Yeah? I want one. I think it's really cool. I mean, it really, doesn't it look like an evil eye?
It does. It keeps all the evil people away.
Exactly. I need one.
Everybody needs one.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so you're going to need your center bead.
Okay.
So you can pick, these are Druzy's.
Which one should I choose?
Favorite.
I know, they're so awesome.
And then you got to have some smaller beads. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
And I'll do this.
All right.
You need 22 gauge and 28. You can use 20 if you want.
I think I will.
And you need a ring mandrel, not a ring stick.
Who would ever call it that?
I don't know. This lady named Susan.
About 2 feet of wire?
However many this is.
Just like about 2 feet to me.
Just range it.
I'm making mine 2 feet.
Ow.
Sorry. Okay.
All right. Now you need
your bead.
Your bead. And your ring mandrel.
Mm-hmm. Did you press the wire down next to the bead at all?
Nope. Really. So I'm gonna put it on the 8. And normally you have someone that kind of
Oh, here, I'll hold it for
holds
you.
these things.
I know, I
You
usually hold
them
mine
in
between
your
my legs. But here, I'll put mine down and I'll hold it for you. You can hold it. Where do you want it? Right here?
Okay. Just go around here. If you can lift it up a little bit, that'd be great. Thank you. Even higher so I can get around the... There. Thank you. And then I'm just gonna start wrapping around this guy. Just making your little... Just little outside part.
Yeah.
And then slide her off and then wrap that around your ring.
Just gotta finish it off there on the edge.
Mm-hmm.
I like that bead. I think I will want to use that color. I'm just kidding.
Cut those pieces off and then slide it back on the ring stick.
Right. Stop it. You're so funny.
I know. I try. So hard. So do you want to do that?
Sure.
Because you don't know how to do it at all. I'm
No,
sure.
I have no clue. Well, that part's, that's just the basic ring. It's the little beads around it that really
Yeah, set it off.
set it off. Yeah. Is that enough, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that looks good. All right. Finish it off. Do you cut yours off on the inside or the outside?
I do it on the side.
Always do it right there so it doesn't
I
poke.
can't feel it.
Yeah. I always want to make sure you get that part down because I'm uncomfortable.
It is.
Okay. Cool.
Now you need some 28 gauge wire.
Okay.
And
So these tiny little 2mm beads, right?
uh-huh. They're so fun to string.
Oh, that's gonna take us some time. Isn't
Yeah.
it? Okay. How much did you cut? Oh, you cut a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I always cut more than I need, but
All right.
I'd
Well,
rather
so you cut a couple feet.
have too much than too little.
Agreed. So what are you doing there, girlfriend?
Wrap it around one side.
A couple times.
You'll cut off that tail later.
Okay.
And then string on some beads.
I kind of like using the 28 gauge to do this because you kind of can hide it a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't look messy. Okay, so now I'm stringing on some tiny beads.
Just stringing.
And when you're making, I mean, the most important part of this is your eyes, for sure.
Evil.
Your evil eyes.
So here, I've made my little halo.
Yeah.
Just put enough beads on to get to this side, and then I'm gonna wrap this around a couple of times in the groove of the 22 gauge wire.
Oh, okay. So that's.
And then now I'm gonna come over to this side and add my little halo. Halo, halo, halo.
All right. So I've got that on there like that. Is that correct?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Do you have to do this twice?
I mean, you go, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
A lot of little beads.
A lot of tiny beads here. All right, so I've got this next one on, and then we're gonna keep going. Is that right?
Keep on going.
Okay. Look, it's looking at me.
Are you evil?
No, it's the evil eye. Although evil eye, it's not. The ring isn't evil. It protects. It's an eye that protects you from evil.
Yes. There you go. Every eye is different.
Very true.
Blink, blink.
There. Cool. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. What color bead would you put in your evil eye ring? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making an evil eye ring, you can say,
I made this.